Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Form 8824 using an easy method. This form is crucial for reporting like-kind exchanges, which allow you to defer capital gains tax when you swap certain business or investment properties. Understanding this process can save you a significant amount of money, potentially hundreds or even thousands of dollars, by postponing tax obligations. We'll break down the steps to make it straightforward and manageable for you. For an exchange to qualify as like-kind, the properties must be of the same nature or character, even if they differ in grade or quality. For example, real estate for real estate. After relinquishing your property, you have a strict 45-day window to identify potential replacement properties. Furthermore, the entire exchange process, from the sale of your old property to receiving the new one, must be completed within 180 days, or by the due date of your tax return, whichever is earlier. Let's walk through the form's main sections. In Part 1, you'll provide details about both the property you gave up and the property you received, including their descriptions and dates. Part 2 is where you calculate your realized gain or loss, which is the difference between the fair market value of the property received and your adjusted basis in the property given up. Finally, Part 3 helps you determine the portion of your gain that is recognized for tax purposes and establishes the new basis for your acquired property. To ensure a smooth process, always keep thorough records of all documents related to your exchange, including settlement statements and property descriptions. For exchanges involving multiple properties, liabilities, or cash, it is highly advisable to consult a qualified tax professional. They can help navigate complexities and ensure compliance. Remember, receiving boot, like cash or non-like-kind property, can trigger immediate tax recognition, even in an otherwise deferred exchange. Careful planning is key to maximizing your tax benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.